Good day everyone. Once again, this is Teacher Grace, your online math teacher. So today I am going to discuss this topic, finding the volume of a given cube and rectangular prism using cubic centimeter and cubic meter. So let's say this cube, let us compute for the volume of this cube. So we have to measure first the length of its edge. So as you can see, one of its edge or sides measures 5 centimeters. So we're going to apply the formula B equals S cube. Okay, so kanina nung sinukat natin, 5 centimeters yung measurement ng isang edge or side ng cube na ito. So, all we have to do is just to substitute the value of the side in our formula and then raise to 3. So, this exponent tells the number of times you are going to multiply the base to itself. It's not 5 centimeter times 3. It should be 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter. Then the answer is 125 cubic centimeters. Or, pwede mo rin siyang isulat as 125 cubic centimeters. Okay, so that means, ang formula sa pagkuha ng volume ay V equals S cube. And then, yung sagot natin dito, yung volume ng cube na to ay 125 cubic centimeters. Okay, so another example. Let's say, halimbawa, may given na side equals 4 meters. Okay. How are we going to compute this? Since na ang given ay isang side lang, so that means you have to find the volume of a cube with this side. Okay? So, yung formula, B equals S cube. And then afterwards, we're going to substitute the value of the side. So, the value of the side is 4 meters raised to 3. Okay. So, the exponent tells the number of times you're going to multiply the base to itself. So, 4 meters times 4 meters is 16 squared meters. 16 squared meters times 4 meters is, so 16 times 4. So, pwede kang mag-scratch kung hindi mo kayang i-oral. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So, 64 cubic meters or 64 cubic meters. Kahit wala na itong tuldok. Okay, so how about kung ang given naman ay rectangular solid? So let's say this one. Okay? So when we say rectangular solid or rectangular prisms, may tatlong dimension siya. We have the length. So sukatin natin length. So as you can see, yung length niya ay 7.5 centimeters. So, length equals 7.5 centimeters. And then, yung kanyang height, 5 centimeters. And then, yung width niya, kaparehas lang ng height, 5 centimeters din. Okay, now, yung formula sa pagkuha ng volume ng rectangular solid ay V equals length times width times height. Okay. Afterwards, i-apply natin or isa-substitute natin yung value ng length, width, saka height. Ano yung value ng length natin? 7.5 centimeters times ano yung width natin? 5 centimeters. And then yung height natin, 5 centimeters rin. Okay, so una nating i-multiply itong dalawa. 7.5 centimeters times 5 centimeters. So 7.5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 2 is 7. And then, sa paglalagay ng decimal point, we're going to count the number of digit to the right of the decimal point. So, since na ito lang na may decimal point, yung multiplicand natin, isa lang yung digit sa kanan, so dito ulit decimal point. Then, afterwards, itong 37.5, i-multiply natin ulit kay 5 centimeters. So, 37.5 times 5. So, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 2, 37. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18. And then, sa paglalagay ng decimal point, count the number of digit to the right of the decimal point. So, 1. Then, the answer is 187.5 cubic centimeters. Or, pwede rin siyang isulat as 187.5 cubic centimeters. Okay, so another example. So, let's say may given lang na ganito, then you are asked to find the volume. So, let's say length, 2 meters, wag 2. Kailangan kapag length mas mahaba yun, di ba? So, let's say 5 meters ito. And then, yung width niya, yan, pwedeng 2 meters. And then, yung height ay 3 meters. Okay. So, once again, ano yung formula sa pagkuha ng volume ng rectangular solid? So, ito yon. V or volume equals length times width times height. What is the measurement of our length? 5 meters. Okay? And then yung width natin, 2 meters. And then yung height natin, 3 meters. Then, imumultiply lang natin yan. 5 meters times 2 meters is 10 squared meters. 10 squared meters times 3 meters is 30 cubic meters. Or pwede rin siyang isulat as 30 cubic meters. So that's all. Thank you for watching.